Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to set voice assistant for your headphones Marshall Major 5. You have to start by open Marshall Bluetooth application, and if you add these headphones to the application you will see the same menu. Right here you need to scroll down, and right here we have M button, tap at this line. Right here select voice assistant, and now with M button located at the left ear cup you can call voice assistant by just pressing it. If you set up on Android, if you set up Gemini, you will call Gemini. If you set up Google Assistant, you will call Google Assistant, or on Apple devices you will call Siri. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave a like on the video. See you later!